Hi, this is the fourth part of bit manipulation series. In this video we will see C program to find number of ones or number of set bits. If you did not watch the previous videos, then please watch that videos to get the concept of bit manipulation. So let's start. For example, you are given to take 8-bit number from user and to find the number of ones present in that number. Let the number is 00000101, so there will be 2 ones or 2 set bits. Now to get this, let's build a logic first. After understand the logic, we will implement the logic in C program. Now if we do bitwise an operation with the input and 1, we will get 1 if LSB is 1, or we will get 0 if LSB is 0. Now in second iteration, if we do right shift the input by 1 bit and do an operation with 1, we will get 0. Similarly in third iteration, by right shifting input and doing and with 1, we will get 1 again. Now in fourth iteration, by shifting input and doing and with 1, we will get 0, and the input will also be 0 in this case. Input 0 means there is no 1 or set bit in the input. In such a way we will count how many times 1 occurs at output up till we get input as 0. This is the logic to count ones. Now let's implement it in C program. #include stdio.h int main. Now to store 8 bits of data, we will use char data type and also will use unsigned, so that 8 bits will be magnitude only and MSB bit will not be signed bit. Input to take user input and output to check output. Now let's take another int variable count to count the number of ones. Let's take input scanf, format specifier for unsigned, char, numerical value is HHU. So now while input is greater than 0, we will do bitwise an operation with 1 and check output is 1 or not. If it is 1, count will be increment by 1. And at every iteration of while loop, input will be right shifted by 1 bit. So finally count will contain the number of set bits or number of ones present in the input. If you want videos like this, subscribe the channel. Thank you.